Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we are diving into the world of AI with the BlueFX AI Super Bundle V2. This bundle is packed with AI-powered tools. You'll find courses and templates too. It's all about making video creation, marketing, and content generation easier. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, this bundle claims to have something for you. Now, AI is all the rage these days, and for good reason. It can automate tasks, boost your creativity, and even help you reach a wider audience. But finding the right AI tools and learning how to use them effectively can be a challenge. That's where the BlueFX AI Super Bundle V2 comes in. It aims to be your one-stop shop for all things AI in the realm of digital content creation. The promise of the BlueFX AI Super Bundle V2 is intriguing. It offers a comprehensive suite of resources designed to simplify and enhance your workflow. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break down the components and see what this bundle has to offer. This bundle is all about giving you the tools to leverage AI without needing to be a coding wizard. So if you're intimidated by lines of code, fear not. BlueFX wants to make AI accessible to everyone. This bundle is jam-packed with over 15 different tools and courses. One of the flagship offerings is the Faceless AI Video Workshop. This tool allows you to create engaging video content without ever having to step in front of a camera. Perfect for those who dread being on camera but still want to harness the power of video marketing. Then there's the AI Video Reels Autopilot system, which, as the name suggests, automates the creation and distribution of short-form videos. We're talking TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, you name it. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're regularly creating content for social media. And for those looking to up their YouTube game, the AI YouTube Traffic Accelerator claims to optimize your videos for search and ranking, helping you reach a wider audience. But it's not just about video. The BlueFX AI Super Bundle V2 also includes tools for other aspects of content creation and marketing. The AI Script Architect for YouTube helps you craft compelling video scripts, while the Magic AI Thumbnail Maker generates eye-catching thumbnails to draw viewers in. And if you're looking to create stunning visuals, the AI Image Generation Mastery course will teach you how to use AI to create realistic images. Now, all of this sounds great on paper, but how does it translate to real-world benefits for marketers and content creators? Let's say you're a small business owner who wants to create engaging video content for your social media channels. The Faceless AI Video Workshop allows you to do just that without the need for expensive equipment or video editing skills. Or perhaps you're a blogger who wants to repurpose your written content into videos. The AI Script Architect for YouTube can help you transform your blog posts into engaging scripts, saving you time and effort. And with the AI YouTube Traffic Accelerator, you can ensure that your videos are seen by the right people, driving traffic back to your website. The BlueFX AI Super Bundle V2 is more than just a collection of tools. It's a comprehensive system designed to streamline your content creation process and amplify your marketing efforts. The bundle doesn't stop at content creation. It also delves into the marketing side of things with tools like the AI Lead Machine Blueprint and GPT Marketing Secrets from an $800,000 per month Facebook ad expert. These resources aim to equip you with the knowledge and strategies to generate leads, optimize your Facebook ad campaigns, and ultimately drive sales. The BlueFX AI Super Bundle V2 is available on the BlueFX website. Now, you might be thinking, all of this must cost a fortune. But here's the kicker. BlueFX is currently offering a massive discount, bringing the price down to a fraction of its supposed retail value. They even offer a money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. Of course, it's important to remember that no AI tool can replace your own creativity and effort. These tools are designed to enhance your workflow, not do the work for you. But if you're willing to put in the effort, the BlueFX AI Super Bundle V2 can be a valuable asset in your content creation and marketing arsenal. So there you have it, the BlueFX AI Super Bundle V2, a comprehensive suite of AI-powered tools designed to simplify and supercharge your content creation and marketing efforts. It's definitely worth checking out if you're looking to leverage the power of AI in your business or creative endeavors.